The story of the dinosaurs is the ultimate tale of planetary domination. For millions of years, they were the undisputed kings. But 66 million years ago, their reign ended in fire and dust, leaving a void. But the story of giant life on Earth was far from over. From the ashes of the dinosaurs' world, a new age of titans rose to claim the throne. These weren't dinosaurs. They were something else entirely. Today, we're diving deep into the story of three of the most spectacular giants to ever live after the dinosaurs. Our first giant rose just a few million years after the dinosaurs vanished. In the world's first rainforest, the apex predator wasn't a mammal or a crocodile. Stretching over 40 feet and weighing more than 2,500 pounds. Titanoboa was the largest snake that has ever existed. It was a true leviathan. A constrictor so powerful it could crush its prey with a force of 400 pounds per square inch, equivalent of lying under 1.5 times the weight of the Brooklyn Bridge. Its world was a hothouse, far warmer than today, and it shared its swampy home with other giants, such as massive turtles and crocodilians. These weren't its predators, they were its prey. Titanoboa was the undisputed ruler of its environment, a silent, slithering king that proved the age of giant reptiles was not quite over. From the swamps, we dive into the open ocean to meet a predator that makes the great white look like a goldfish. For over 20 million years, the oceans had an emperor. Megalodon was the largest shark that ever lived, and arguably the most powerful predator in Earth's history. Its teeth were over 7 inches long, and its bite force was strong enough to crush a car. But it didn't hunt cars, it hunted whales. Fossil evidence shows a brutal hunting strategy. It would target the fins and tails of its prey first, preventing them from escaping before delivering the final, devastating bite. This was a shark so dominant, its fossils are found in oceans all over the world. It was a global sea monster, the true king of the deep. If you wish to continue indexing these utterly bizarre beasts from the absolute safety of your screen, do be a good chap and hit that subscribe button. Our final giant brings us closer to home. In the same forests where our own human ancestors were evolving, lived an ape of mythical proportions. This was no myth. This was Gigantopithecus. Standing 3 feet taller than the average primate, Gigantopithecus was the largest primate to ever walk the earth. For millions of years, it coexisted with early humans. But despite its fearsome size, it wasn't a monster. We know from its massive fossilized teeth and jaws that it was a gentle giant. Its diet consisted mainly of tough, fibrous plants like bamboo, which it could crush with its powerful molars. But this specialized diet would be its downfall. When the climate changed and its bamboo forests began to disappear, the giant ape couldn't adapt. It starved into extinction, leaving only its giant teeth to tell the story of the real-life King Kong. These creatures may be gone, but their bones hold the secrets to a lost world. A world ruled by giants we are only just beginning to understand. And as we continue to search, we have to wonder what other incredible titans are still waiting to be discovered.